Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert emojis on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly. So how to insert an emoji in your Google Sheet mobile? I just going to show in this short video. So I just open a document here and just click on the cell, just zooming in the cell. Now click on the enter formula because there is no insert symbol option present on the thing. So you just use your keyboard. So here I just using Google keyboard. Click on this emoji symbol options and you can just insert whatever the emojis that you just needed. So it's easy, simple. You can just use your keyboard. So because there is no insert symbol option or insert emoji options present on your Google Sheet mobile, you just click here. You can't find anything here. So instead of that, use your keyboard. So and also for every symbols that you just needed, you just use this because here you will see a lot of hidden currency symbols and a lot of symbols like that. So use this and insert emojis on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.